Hello and welcome back to another tutorial, and today we are going to be talking about arrays. So let's get started. So what I have here, I have a string, and this here is a regular string, but notice it has these square thingies. I don't know what they're called. Anyways, it should be beside the letter P on your keyboard. So these things, what are these? You may be asking. Basically, what this means is that's an array. And you may be asking what an array is now. An array is like, so we have Twitter here, which is an integer. And yes, you can do this with integers and strings. And so what we have here is an integer, which is called Twitter, and it's an array. So what basically that means is it'll have multiple integers inside of Twitter. And for example, I have 0, 1, and 1. So those are the numbers that I have in Twitter. So this is a whole string. So say if I want to get like a number out of here, out of this array, like if I want to use the number 1. Basically what you do is, I'm just going to print number 1 out to the screen. Simple thing to do. And so let's type in the name here, the usual, and then but this time what you have to do is you put the square thingies and you put 1 here. Wait, actually let's put 0 and change this to 2, and there we go. And that's gonna be a lot easier to explain. That's what changes to. Okay, so this will print, so this right here will print the integer 2, and you may be wondering how it's going to print 2 when it says 0 here. Well, that's the thing with this. Arrays, they do not start from 1, so it doesn't go 1, 2, 3. It starts from 0, 1, 2. So that's something you have to keep in mind every single time you use an array. So this is how you print it out, and you basically put here the number, the slot, if you still want to call it that you want to use. So I'm using 0, which is this one. And so if we were to run that, it'll print out 2. And then say if I use slot 1, I'll put 1 here and 3 here. Now it should print out 3. So it does 3. And what is this? This is an array too, but this is a different type of an array. Basically it's the same type almost, but the way you initialize it is different here. So say if I want YouTube 0 to be equal to, I don't know, some random text like hello. What did we do wrong here? Initialize, oh, okay, and then that's how you can change a slot in a variable. Wait, does that actually even work? You know what? I think I'm gonna learn something new here today. Let's just see if this actually works. YouTube and 0. What do another bracket? Yeah, okay, that doesn't work. So scrap what I just said here. So this is a string array. As I said, you can have multiple array types. So this will be a string. And let's put in here, I don't know, a G and D in there and H in there. So now we can also do this with the string, and this, we already have it typed out. This should print out G. Run that and it prints out G, and you can change this to, if we change it to, it should print out H. And that's basically it for arrays. So thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.